My channel has 0 subscribers, and I'm fully committing today. Ever since I was a little kid, I was blessing YouTube with my very popular how-to videos. And due to the success of those videos, I've become the person who I am today. Very poor. YouTube has always been in my DNA, and I've been building myself up for the past few years to build the ultimate YouTube channel. And that brings us to where we are today. Welcome to the Boosted Barn! But this didn't all happen overnight. We are in East Cleveland right now. We're going to look at a shop for Roosted Rooster. This shop is $2,000 a month to run.
Guys, are we gonna get arrested for not paying?
Dude, this is sweet. Do not block, dude, Roblox. Civic SI update. This side is rubbing really bad. It's starting to get through the tire. We're probably gonna sell this car soon. Take one last good look at it. Hello. How are you doing today?
I don't know. You read English?
Huh?
Can you read English?
No parking. Would you like me to move?
We'll move later.
Is it okay if I record a little bit?
Sure.
Cool.
What do you want to do here now?
I want to store a bunch of cars and make YouTube videos here. Oh, this has air conditioning.
I don't know if that works.
Oh, okay. What? This is neat. Okay. Controversial.
Yeah, that's not scary at all.
This is not bad. Look at this big sink.
Dude, we both gonna sink.
The electric and the water go with it. You have to pay for your own gas.
And so, are we allowed to park out here? Do we
Not
have
overnight.
Not overnight? Okay, so everything inside overnight. That's fine.
Is trash included?
Yes.
That one? Yeah, sorry I parked there. I didn't realize that this was an actual business still going on. Yeah, I know it's English. You don't gotta be that hard on me, man. What do you think, Jessica?
Whoa! Why was there Obama? What did Obama do? White man.
Gay marriage.
Oh, he should be happy, him and his husband, but no.
Funny vlog. We are at another shop. I'm not gonna show you guys the name, but I think we might actually rent this one. It is the middle of the night. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it okay if I record a little bit?
Yeah, go
All
ahead.
right.
Record me too.
Record you? Okay. So this is the shop back here?
That's it.
Cool.
And this is the office over there.
Office right here? Oh, this is actually pretty sweet. Oh my gosh. Is the roof leaking here?
A little bit, it's all the same little bit vent.
Oh, sure.
You're gonna put a new door right there.
Oh, new garage door? Okay. And do we have outside parking or just inside?
Yeah, outside, we're gonna move all the cars in the back.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Oh my gosh. I'll make this my gym. We'll bring dumbbells.
I thought it said no soliciting on the wall down there. I was like, what?
What does it say?
No smoking.
Oh. This is 2 months later. They left all their stuff in the shop for me to clean up. They didn't literally touch a single thing. I have like 70 gigabytes of literally just cleanup videos. I'm not gonna include them in the video, but I'm gonna make a bunch of shorts. Onto the vlog. Not only do we abuse a bunch of animals here at the Boosted Barn, but here at my barn we're going to be showcasing all my awesome projects. From turning kids' toys into literal death traps, to salvage car restoration, and just flat out getting scammed. But sometimes we're the scammers, like with Jessica's 350C that we got in this video. Mike's vlog. This is my setup for the Boosted Barn living area. have a bunch of little enclosures and cages for different bunny rabbits. This big lady always likes to break out of her cage. She like physically destroys it, so I kind of gave up and she just free roams now. I usually don't let them free roam during the night because they do things like this and like this. This is Mr. Bugs Bunny. This is where I usually sleep, and then this is the editing station. This is where my editor does most of my work. She's taking a break. And this is where I safely and securely keep all of my car keys. This is the code. Now let's show you the cars. This is my dream showcase. Right now, I'm standing right in the middle of the new showroom floor for the boosted bar. Right here is where I'm going to be storing all of our really cool cars to make sure they stay out of the elements. You might see a few unfamiliar faces. Every single car here has been featured or will be featured in a future YouTube video. This car is Jessica's 350Z. You'll be seeing that soon. This is our catfish Camaro that me and Jessica bought together. This is the biggest pile of junk. And you've seen my Mitsubishi Lancer before. And here's the famous Dodge Neon. This car needs so much work right now. I absolutely beat this car up like crazy. Sitting next to the Neon SRT4 is our Dodge Caliber SRT4. You might be wondering, this isn't a red Civic Si. That's all I gotta say. And I don't even want to talk about this car. On to the rest of the shop. Right here is my filming couch. I have like 50 of these Mobil 1 bottles, and I don't know how to hang them on the wall. I tried double-sided tape, command strips, and hot glue, and nothing worked. They all keep falling off. I have no idea how to secure things to this random brick. Over here is the filming wall. This is where I will be using as a background for all my videos. All my cool little projects and stuff I will be hanging up here. Here's my little toolbox. It's unorganized, it's a mess. Don't worry about all that. Up here I have all my sockets. These are literally just miscellaneous sockets. Here are the hammers. Down here I have a welder, and I have it all wrapped up here, so this is just a mobile welding cart. These are pliers and screwdrivers, miscellaneous, wrenches, more miscellaneous. Over here I have my electric shelf, so this is where I'm storing all my electric tools, spray paint, and just car detailing stuff. Back here we have my $900 Silverado, as you guys saw in my very last YouTube video. And over here is a 2009 PT Cruiser Dream Edition. This is a beautiful, low mileage example, except the driver's side was T-boned, so now I'm parting out this car because it has the exact same 2.4-liter turbo engine as my Dodge Neon SRT4. And it has a lot of other cool things like sway bars, knuckles, even the rack and pinion's the same. My favorite part about this shop is that the roof leaks really bad, so it's leaking all over. And right along the toolbox and my microwave and the air hose is the back room. Back here is the storage area of the boosted barn. And no, there's no bunnies back here. Here's where I store my giant Harbor Freight air compressor, and this is where I work on all my electrical stuff. And this tool chest stores all my American tools. I don't want to mix them because I don't want to dig through a bunch of tools. And here is a valve cover for my Neon. I left it on the floor of the Neon. The roof leaks a little bit. The carpet actually destroyed this valve cover. So now this is worthless. Back here's just a bunch of parts. Don't worry about all that. But all these drawers are filled with like different tools. After about 2 months of setting up this shop, it's finally ready to film with. But let's talk about the big question, the elephant in the room. How? How did I afford this with no job? Let me take you back to about 2 years ago, where I had this crazy vision in my head where I knew I had to get a repair shop or some sort of warehouse. I told everyone that I was gonna live in a warehouse. I was gonna use the little office building as my little studio / apartment. Which is exactly what I did. I had to store cars at everyone's house. I stored them at my friend Ryan Barr's house, Jessica's parents' house, my grandma's house, and everyone was getting sick of me, especially all the clutter I had with tools, spare car parts, and so much more. One day, it all just snapped. I couldn't handle not having a place anymore. So that day, I drove our salvage title, not registered Honda Civic Si to our local Chase, where they let me take out a credit card with a $5,000 limit on it. With rent here being roughly $1,000 a month, I have 5 months of rent, right? It's only been 2 months and it's already maxed out. I'm so sorry. Now what? Am I screwed? Not really, because I sold my beautiful, beloved green Chevy Silverado. I put so much work into that truck. I got $5,000 out of it. I got $5,000 out of it. That was actually the best investment I've ever made in my whole life. Now, it sucks that I have to get rid of all those memories, but everything comes with a sacrifice. Do you think I'm stupid? Should I go get a real job? Let me know what project you guys are most excited to see in the comments below. And make sure you're subscribed for everything.